we'll guide you through how to determine if Printify Premium is worth it for your business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Printify Premium tab located at the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown of the benefits and costs associated with the Printify Premium plan. The plan offers a discount of up to 20% on all products, which can be a significant saving depending on your order volume. To assess if it's worth it, you'll need to compare your current order frequency and profit margins against the premium subscription cost. Now, click on pricing to see the cost structure. Printify Premium is billed monthly or annually with potential savings if you choose the annual option. It's $29 per month or $24,099 per month if billed annually. If you typically fulfill a high volume of orders, the product discount might offset the subscription cost, leading to increased profit margins. Next, head over to the order section in your dashboard to review your monthly sales data. Calculate your total savings by applying the 20% discount to your average monthly order cost. Compare these savings against the subscription cost to see if you come out ahead. Additionally, consider the time savings from the expedited support and faster product updates that come with Premium. These can be crucial if you value efficiency in handling customer inquiries and staying ahead with new products. Remember, the value of Printify Premium greatly depends on your business size and growth projections. Analyze your specific needs and sales trends before making a decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.